Hey, well done, my brethren. There were a lot of things in this country. I've been hearing a lot of news lately. Some saying that the country is bad. Hunger is everywhere. People are suffering. People are jabbering. People are going traveling abroad. People are running from hectare to hectare because of the way, because of things in this country. Fuel is high. Everything is bad. And I ask a question. Can we tell ourselves the bitter truth? They say that truth hurts, but let's tell ourselves the bitter truth. Can we go to one bitter truth? The truth is, what do you expect to see after the 2023 election? What do you expect to see? Remember, in Nigeria, politics is the biggest business. If you don't know it, go and verify. In Nigeria, politics is the biggest business ever to do. This is a business you enter with nothing and go home with billions of naira. You enter with nothing and go home with millions of naira. You enter and go home with billions of naira, with nothing and go home with billions of dollars. That is politics in Nigeria. So what do you expect them to do? When they say they should snatch the ballot box, carry it and run? Do you think that